You can change your subscription plan for OptinMagic anytime you want. To migrate to a different plan, at first log into your OptinMagic account. Go to Account page. Click on Subscription and Payments on the left sidebar. In this tab, you will see your current subscription status and payment histories. Click on Change Plan to change your plan. Choose your preferred plan by clicking Get this plan. Then you will be redirected to Stripe's own checkout page. Give your email, name and credit card information. Then click on Subscribe button. That's all you need to do. You have now successfully changed your plan. If you have any questions, please comment it on the comment section. Thank you for watching this video.